Hello, friends. Today, my session of speaking is about credit card. Best travel credit cards 2023. So, I'm presenting which are the best one which you can use while traveling abroad or in India. There are many credit cards available in India that offer great benefits and rewards for travel. Here are some of the best travel credit cards in India. SGFC Regalia Credit Card. This card offers great travel benefits including complimentary airport lounge access, air miles, and travel insurance. American Express Platinum Credit Card. This card offers range of travel benefits including air miles, complimentary lounge access, and hotel benefits. SBI Card Elite. This card offers benefits such as complimentary airport lounge access, air miles, and travel insurance. Fourth one is Axis Bank Miles and More World Credit Card. This card offers air miles, complimentary lounge access, and hotel benefits. Fifth one is City Primer Miles Credit Card. The card offers air miles, complimentary lounge access, and hotel benefits. When choosing travel credit card, make sure to compare the reward benefits and fees of the each credit card to find the other that best suits your need. Thank you. So we will be please like and subscribe my channel. We will be sharing more interesting videos like this to you. Thank you.